Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have one exercise that we see our the finger that this we have the triangle A C D that this we have this angle ABE is equal H and the angle ACD also equal H and the length of D is equal 6 and the length of BC is equal to square root 3. Do you know how to show this? If you know, please do it. When you do it already, please come back to watch my video from beginning to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now we go to the solution together. Okay, to find the values of angle, that the values of h in degree. So now this I let this by m and I let this by n, and so now let AB equal m and AE is equal and so this we see as the triangle ACD is half a right triangle that in triangle of ACD is half right triangle at this HA, the triangle ACDF half the right triangle is A. And so now if we get the 10 of H's, 10 of H is equal just this ADs and divide by this AC, okay, ACs, and we see this ACs is equal ABs and plus BCs, okay, it's equal, and this we get M plus this 2 square root 3, okay, and this ADs is equal A is plus D is, so it's equal n and plus set n and plus set. And so now this is I multiply this to the left hand side, so this we get is m and plus 2 square root 3 and multiply 10 h equal n plus 6. And so now this I multiply this in, we get this m and multiply 10 h plus this we get 2 square root 3 and multiply 10 of h, it's equal to n plus 6. Okay, now this I let it the first equation. Okay, now we see in the triangle AB is, okay, in the triangle AB is half the right angle at A is if get A. So now this we get the 10 of H equal A is and divide by the AB, and this we get is equal n and divide by m. So now this I multiply both sides of this equation with m, so we get m and multiply 10h equal n. This I let it the second equation. So now I use the second equation to replace in the first equation. So this we get by by 1 and 2, and by first equation and second equation. So this we replace m10 is equal n. This we replace by n. So is equal n plus this to the square root of 3, 10 of h equal n and plus 6. So now this n and this n we can cancel out it. So this we get 10 h is equal 6 and divide by 2 and square root 3, and it's we get this, we simplify this, we get 10 h equal 3 and divide by square root 3, and this we can multiply this square root 3 multiply square root 3 and this 3 and multiply square root 3, and so this 10 h is equal 3 square root 3 is this, we get 3, and now we simplify of this, we get 10 h is equal square root 3. And so now this 10 of h equals square root 3, so we know that the 10 of h equal the square root 3 is equal 10 of 60 degree. And so now this we get the values of h is equal 6 degrees, and this is our solution. So if you watching, if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Goodbye.